What if you could capture cinematic 8K aerial shots from a drone that practically flies itself? Today on Caring Guy, we're testing the powerful Lenovo S101 drone, packed with dual cameras, GPS recovery, obstacle avoidance, and insane flight range. But is it actually worth it, or just another hype drone? Right out of the box, the S101 looks sleek, modern, and compact. It features a foldable design, making it easy to carry anywhere, whether you're traveling, hiking, or filming outdoors. And yes, it even comes with a smart screen controller, so you can see live footage without needing your phone. This drone is built with a lightweight yet durable frame, weighing around 150 grams. When unfolded, it expands into a full-sized quadcopter ready for stable flight. And the brushless motors? They provide more power, less noise, and better wind resistance. Now, let's talk about the real highlight, the camera. The Lenovo S101 drone features 8K dual camera system, 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization, 120-degree wide-angle lens, and 3x digital zoom. This means you can capture ultra-clear aerial photos, smooth cinematic videos, and wide landscape shots with incredible detail. And thanks to EIS stabilization, your footage stays smooth even during movement. This drone isn't just about visuals, it's built for serious performance. Up to 48 minutes flight time, 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission, GPS positioning and return to home, level 3 to 4 wind resistance. That's right, nearly 50 minutes of flight time, which is insane for a drone in this category. This is where the S101 becomes really interesting. Obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes automatically. GPS recovery, never lose your drone, find it instantly. Waypoint flight, draw a path and let the drone follow it. Orbit mode, automatically circle your subject. Gesture control, take photos or videos just by waving your hand. This makes it super beginner-friendly, but still powerful enough for advanced users. With 5G Wi-Fi, you get smooth live video feed, low latency control, and stable long-range connection. And the drone supports up to 20 kilometers transmission range, perfect for long-distance aerial shots. Pros: stunning 8K camera quality, long 48-minute flight time, smart features like GPS and obstacle avoidance, foldable and portable design, smooth stabilized footage. Cons: 8K is often interpolated, not true cinematic 8K. Advanced features may take time to master. Large range depends on environment conditions. So is the Lenovo S101 drone worth it? If you want a feature-packed drone with long flight time, smart controls, and high-quality footage, this is definitely a strong contender. It's perfect for content creators, travel vloggers, drone beginners, and enthusiasts. So what do you think? Would you fly a drone like the Lenovo S101, or are you sticking with something smaller? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech reviews on Caring Guy. See you in the next video.